Feel like you've just been hit by a bullet train? You're used to running teams and managing complex projects, but lately you need a nap right after checking emails. Sound familiar? You started taking a GLP-1, maybe Ozempic, Mounjaro, or Wegovy to reclaim your health, drop some weight, and get your energy back. If you're staring at your medication right now and seriously considering throwing in the towel, don't do it until you've watched this video. And Dr. Hanz, I'll break down why your body feels like a completely drained battery while taking GLP-1 medication. Stay with me. I have some incredibly easy, science-backed solutions for you near the end that will actually get you back to feeling like the powerhouse you are. If you're new here, my goal is to help optimize your health so you can keep a blazing career and a fulfilling life without burning out. So, why does a medication that is supposed to make you healthier end up making you want to sleep for a week? Let's look at what the science actually says. In clinical trials for these medications, around 11% of patients reported profound fatigue. If you're feeling this, you're not imagining it, and you're certainly not doing anything wrong. Usually, this intense exhaustion hits hardest during the titration phase. That's the medical term for the first 4 to 8 weeks when your doctor slowly increases your dose. But what's actually happening inside your body? Think about it as a metabolic lag. For years, maybe decades, your body has been used to running on readily available glucose from your regular diet. Now, these medications are shifting your system to start burning stored fat instead. That transition takes a lot of physiological work. Your body is basically remodeling its entire energy system, and remodeling is exhausting. Are you finding it tough to even look at food lately? That brings us to the second culprit. These medications work by slowing down your gastric emptying and signaling to your brain that you're full. That's great for weight management, but it often leads to a massive, sudden drop in the calories you take in. You're still going to work managing your busy life and demanding high performance from your brain, but you're not putting enough gas in the tank. If your car is going up a steep hill, it needs fuel. When you cut your calories drastically, your energy level is sure to crash. Have you noticed you're not just tired? Your brain feels a little foggy too? That's the dehydration. If you're experiencing mild nausea or an upset stomach, you're probably not drinking enough water, and you're likely missing crucial electrolytes. Plus, because your digestion is moving at a snail's pace, your body might not be absorbing certain nutrients as efficiently as it used to. Alright, now we know why you're exhausted. How do we fix it? Here's the game plan. Number 1, prioritize protein. When your appetite is completely gone, every single bite or sip has to count. Clinical data show that preserving muscle mass during weight loss is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism and preventing a sluggish, heavy feeling. If chewing a chicken breast sounds terrible, grab a high-quality protein shake, mix unflavored protein powder into your morning coffee, or drink ultra-filtered milk. Just get the protein in. Number 2, hydrate properly. Don't just drink plain water. Start adding electrolytes. Sodium, potassium, and magnesium are critical for maintaining nerve and muscle function. Replenishing those specific minerals will often clear up that brain fog faster than a nap will. Number 3, vitamin B12. Remember how we talked about your digestion slowing down? Because of that change, you might not be absorbing enough B12 from your food. Vitamin B12 is literally the energy factory for your body. Check your levels with your doctor. Adding this simple supplement might be the spark your engine needs right now. Number 4, mini meals. Stop trying to eat 3 full meals a day. Your stomach isn't ready for that. Instead, microdose your nutrition. Eat 4 or 5 small, nutrient-dense snacks throughout the day. A bit of Greek yogurt here, a piece of sharp cheese there. Keep your blood sugar stable so you avoid those massive energy crashes in the middle of the afternoon. Listen. Adapting to GLP-1s is a massive biological shift. Treat this adjustment period the same way you would handle a critical system update. You have to allow for a little strategic downtime. If you need to take a 20-minute nap when midday hits, schedule one before the end of your lunch break. take it without guilt. If you're balancing a demanding career and want a more tactical approach to your well-being, keep an eye out. I'm currently developing a comprehensive new program designed specifically for busy professionals who need to optimize their energy, cognitive bandwidth, and overall health. Subscribe and be the first to know when the doors open. I am Dr. Hanz. Keep thriving. I'll see you in the next episode.